Katanat Corporate Social Responsibility CSR jong ka company Star Cement Lumshnong hilin kasi kalapalong ya ka program bagarpang ha community hall ha Lumshnong ha ka ba katanat ka sam ki scholarship da ka pisa ka ba 10,000 tyngka Marwei sheki lai penyongut ki samla pule ki ba nakashnong Lumshnong ki lai penyongut ki samla pule ki balayo ya ka scholarship ki day ki ba kenjo 100% ka jingyo marks jongki ha ki jing puli ha ka class 10 but class 12 jong ka board exam long ru ba ka ni ka scholarship ka long kum ka jing ka shan lang ka ba na ka liang ka CSR-Star Cement ban kentiu ya ka jing lang jing start ha ba karan ka jing lang na ka liang senior general manager jong ka Star Cement u ba ru retired air marshal Indian Air Force u RV Ram Kishore ula kran halor ka jingdan kam ka jingnang jing start bantai ya ka ri baro ka we ha ka jing lang halum shnong le don ring ka lang wa he shnong lum shnong uba mon lang la dong lembat ki to executive shnong ka ba kom kani ka program sam scholarship ka tanat CSR ka la plong ru ha shnong breacher non men ha khalai terek ujilio arjab san ha ka ba Nriwat ki samla puli national breacher non kila yo priang ya ka scholarship ka ba 10,000 tyngka Marwei ka ni ka scholarship ka long ban kershan lang ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi bat ru ka long kom ka jing aiman sim bat penchlori ki samla puli ba kenken jo shaki kerdan puli ki ba kham shalor shu shu habakran ka jing lang hashnong breacher non u manager CSR-Star Cement u king show Kamal Bora ulong ba ka Star Cement Company kan yai beteng na kapor sa kapor ban the jingirap ban kershan ki padpa ha ka yo ka kwat bat kumjuru yiki samla puli ha ka puli puthi ulong ru bah ka financial year jong snam arhajar katanat CSR klala ban the jingirap hadu shispa sangut ki samla puli ki bana lumshnong bat kan ni klerap yaki bakila yo kalat ban beteng biang yiki jing puli jong ki
में से रेडी करने का करने का तैयारी है वो भी कभी ना नहीं बोलने वाला और या कि कॉम कि वह हमको या स्टार सीमेंट कि वह या 1 लाख कि वह हमको डिपार्टमेंट या CSR बट कम जो या कि खर्चनों या कि वह ये एम है निपोर बट कम तम ये भी कि खन्ना स्कूल but ki be ki pa ki we apoy ni pot selfman wa ong wa kani daman ka sen ka wa dabon sen ba rei na konta yung kini ki jing pas yung pi man ka wa kam wa renew ka tumi ka pentumi kam sel pe da ong sa ne wa hini snem ga dep dang duna ki na school ki wa yo ya kani ka scholarship ka wa mut dang duna ka jing konkret yung ki hake jing pure puji dan napor chapor ne de mge inasa 37 ha nesni de yo hedo wale punyau mut kite ki we are 60% about then we are of first division dan yo ngone kani to kajing perchang ka wathian tam kam ki khot sdong hake jing ete yaki agreement lo ka Star Cement da em ka jingmut hake de khot sdong wa yete yaki ni kam na ka berta wa penclor yaki kena ikon yang ayong pi uku ki chaprang hake jing pure de ba la de chiam ni la da pai obro sudang ya ka berta chiam ni to
the village committee members, the parents, students, very good evening. It's indeed a great privilege for me here to be among the honorable members and with all of you all for this noble cause of distributing the scholarships to the very bright students of this area, I would say. And on behalf of Star Cements, I take this opportunity to first congratulate all the students who have been proving themselves in the respective field of education which you have adopted. And I wish you all furthermore a bright future and success in all your endeavors. I assure you on behalf of the Star Cements and to the Honorable Edmund and the village committee members that we at Star Cement always endeavor to ensure that Lumshnong is always within our heart and we move hand in glove, shoulder to shoulder. Thank you very, very much. Thank you so much.